Hello, Bert here to introduce you to the new JB F6 Boost recovery machine. It's got a 1.25 enlarged DC motor. Also, you can connect it to 115 220 volt auto sensing. Another wonderful benefit about this recovery machine is that you can hook up a switch to your recovery tank. So once your recovery tank hits 80% full, that switch will engage and shut off your recovery machine, letting you know that you need to either switch tanks, right, or you're done. Another thing about this that I truly like, and is the most important for you, those of you who have been in the trade for a long time like myself, is this thing is super light. It's way lighter than a lot of the recovery machines out in the market. Easy to set on top of the unit. I mean, it is great. It's gonna save your back, guys, believe me. You also got your gauges here. You don't have to worry about them getting knocked off. I've seen other recovery machines where they're kind of sticking out and you're carrying it, lugging it up, and next thing you know, it knocks off and you're buying a new one. Not with JB. Also, another thing I want to talk to you guys about this wonderful F6 Boost is that it's got a purge feature, so you don't have to worry about cross-contamination with refrigerants. I know that's extremely important because we want to maintain the integrity of the refrigerant on all the work we do. Second of all, this unit has a screen built in on the inlet side. So for those of you guys that don't tend to use, filters on them, guess what? You don't have to worry about it unless your system's contaminated. It's got a little screen in there that protects the unit from getting contaminants inside the unit and in the refrigerant. This unit is also rated for A2L refrigerants and A3 refrigerants. So for those of you guys that work in confined spaces, work in clean rooms, operating rooms, or places where we can't disperse the refrigerant, JB's got you covered. This is rated for, again, A2L and A3 refrigerants. It's also got a low pressure cutoff. So once you have everything set up and you know the unit, say, holds about 13, 15 pounds, you got a 30-pound recovery tank, you guys can set it and forget it. Go down, get the rest of your material, remove your contactors, your compressors, whatever you got to do. This thing is taking care of you all on its own, right? You don't have to sit here and baby it. Another great thing that I like about it is the status LED light. Right now it's flashing because it's telling me it's ready to go. Once I kick this on, it's going to go to solid green, and it's easy and nice to see even in broad daylight.